Buddy Brian back here with a bone update. Look at that. We got that nice break up here to 89 cents yesterday. So nice break up there, which was pretty awesome. I'm going to show you some stuff here, guys. It looks like we could be heading up here. So get excited. This thing is really starting to move. That's what we've been waiting for. And this pushback is nothing. That's why I always say, I did a members video. Don't buy big green candles. If you would have bought this big green candle at 89 cents up here, they usually pull back and retest and then take off. I teach that in the members videos. You get your big push up, you get a retest, and then you usually take off from there. Okay, that's how these things usually work. And if you're interested, guys, I have a level 3 membership for $14.99. Over 7 hours of videos teaching you all this stuff. So I have 57 members now. Thank you so very, very much, guys. I love it. I want to see everybody succeed in this market. Okay, last bull run I was in, I made a decent amount of money. All right, I ended up losing almost all of it because I didn't know when to sell. All right, so immediately afterwards, I took a trading course. I paid a lot of money for it, and I teach everything that I learned in that course, and trying to make you guys better. It makes me better doing these every day, looking at these charts every day, and it makes me more accurate. And it can change your life for so if you're interested for 15 bucks, go check it out. It's you definitely get your money's worth. Let's take a look at this stuff, guys. There's some stuff over here I pulled up. I just did a bone Shibaswap search. Is there a rumor going around about Binance here? The biggest surprise for us can be Binance. We will be added bone to Binance before the new year, but I don't know if this dream will come true. I really do not confirm or deny. I don't know what this is all about. Let's click on it and see. Do you guys know anything about a rumor about Binance or something? I don't know why. There's this person just throwing stuff out there, like a wish. I wish we could be put on Binance. I apologize if you hear it got a little bit of rain in the background. All you guys that know me and are here every day, that I do my videos. I have a pretty large garage, and I come out here and I do them in a little office area, but I got a metal roof and a concrete floor in here, but it gets pretty loud when it rains, so I apologize. Here we go. I want to see some of these comments over here. 210 reposts, 6 quotes, 808 likes. But this was Bone Shibaswap. I mean, is this the official, or 38,000 followers? Well, we'll see. I don't know. Anybody knows anything, please let me know, though. I'm kind of curious here. That would be pretty huge, right? If we look at the crypto bubbles, let's reboot that. My Wi-Fi was going in and out here because of all the rain, but this is how I'm going to give you guys a little tip. Here's a freebie. All right, if you're looking for the next big crypto, if you go over to crypto bubbles, you see these ones that are popping. These are your top 500. These are your top top 500 coins in here. If you click on them, all right, this thing has a market cap of 57 million. For the year, it's up an 11x. All right, 1100% for the year. All right, you can go through them. You can, what's NISA? This thing is up 80% for the month, $62 million market cap. These 40, 30, 40, $50 million market caps, that's where your big 100Xs, 100, 200, 300Xs are. But you got to look what your, not financial advice, but you got to look into it. DYOR, do your own research on this stuff. Look into these coins. Ampliforth, I've heard of them before, actually. I believe if it's the same one. $48 million market cap. They're up 57% for the year. You can go check them out. See if they are a legit company. See what they're doing. And these are where your big gainers are, though. The lower market caps, okay? That's a freebie for you. They teach that in my trading course. The top 100, bonk. This bonk, boy, this thing, look at this. For the month, it's done a 7x. So if you put $1,000 in this thing at the beginning of the month, you'd have $7,000 now. If you put $10,000 in it at the beginning of the month, you'd have 70 grand. This thing is just really ripping. Now it's getting to the higher, it's a $1.3 billion market cap, so it's going to take more money now to move it. All right, once you cross that threshold of that billion, then it takes a lot more money to move this. Can it do another 7x from here? You'd be up to $7 billion. All right, so maybe the big gains aren't with this anymore. I don't know. You know, that's how you got to look at things. Market cap. Market cap means a lot. All right, it takes you know, to do another whatever 100%. You know, this thing's gonna have to go over 2 billion. You know, it's a lot of money. You know, if you look at the top coins out there, let's hold on one second. Let me just show you something real quick. I want to show you because please pay attention, man. This stuff is super important, and this is how you get rich in crypto. It really is. Everybody can make money in crypto. It's easy, especially in a bull market. You can think you're a genius. You can buy coins and they go up 30, 40, 50%. 400%. You can have, you know, you can throw $1,000 at it, and during the middle of the bull run have $100,000 and think you're the best investor in the world, and everything starts turning over, and you know, you don't know how to chart, you don't know how to look at stuff, and you're like, oh, it'll go back up. It's done this before. And then it keeps going and it keeps going, and then you know that $1,000 is down to $10,000, and then maybe you finally cash out, you know, and you lost, you know, 90% of your money. That's normally how the bull run goes. People keep thinking it's going to go up again. It's going to go up again. It'll go back up. But, you know, that's when Bitcoin is done, the bull run's over. You know, that's just how it goes. All right, so here you go. To do this, you know, for Bonk, we were just looking at Bonk. You know, 1.3 billion, top 52. You know, I don't believe it's going to do that. That would put it up to about $8 or $9 billion to do another 7x. 8 or 9 billion. All right, that would put it up in the market caps of Polygon, Chainlink, Polkadot. You know, can it do that? I don't know. Maybe. Not anything is possible in crypto. All right, but I'm just trying to tell you that if you buy this and think, you know, it's going to do another 700%. My guess is not. You know, not financial advice, like I said, but you got to look at market cap when you're getting into these things. Here's the top 100 today. Bonk is the biggest winner again. ICP finally starting to move. That's good to see. Market cap $5 billion. All right, this is an $11 token. This thing, and the circulating supply is the big thing with ICP. It has a low circulating supply. You know, so this thing. During a bull run, you know, it could, you know, who knows? I can see a $50 billion market cap in a bull run, a 10x. You know, you got to look through stuff and just use common sense a lot of the time. But let's get back to bone here. This chart is looking great. All right, so let's take a look. Let's zoom in here. Let's go on a 4 hour and see what's going on. All right, you can see. Let's blow it up here a little bit. And if you haven't, guys, please hit the like and subscribe. Please, that helps a lot. You can see the resistance here that this thing had right up here. Let's put it on here. This blue line coming down through here. It popped out of there. All right, we got this run up. We got the pop. It finally broke through it. Now it's coming back down to retest the breakout. All right, this area right here is going to be big. Right, let's get this off here. Need to zoom in here a little bit. Oop. Alright, now you can see it's came back up here. The first area for this thing to break through is at 80 cents. Okay, 80 to 82 cent area. Well, 80 for sure. It needs to break that. And then we got that 82 up here that we've talked about. Okay, 82 cents is that big one. Now, if we look at the RSIs, we got the 4 hour at a 51 to 52. It's actually bearish. But look at they're getting dangerously, well, not dangerously, they're bullishly close to flipping over to bullish. We got the 8 hour, it is actually bearish at a 59 and a 68. We got the 12 turning up. We got a green candle here. We got the daily just about reset. Okay, I believe tonight it's at an 11 and a 14. In a few hours, that thing should turn up. and I believe this thing should bounce from here. The weekly, of course, the weekly is still heading up. And look at this. We finally got a monthly, and look at it, 6.61 and 6.03. The monthly has just turned bullish for bone. You think that's not huge? The monthly RSI has just turned bullish. Look at this. 6.68 to 6.05. Just getting that crossover now. Alright, so I believe some huge moves are coming for bone. I believe this breakout is legit. Keep an eye on those areas I talked about. 80 to, the first one, that first one to break out of it. It's doing it right now. Alright, it's at 79.80. Right, you can see that resistance there. It's breaking it. I would be watch for that 82 cents, guys. We get a break of 82, and then I believe we're heading much higher here. I'm going to put a Fibonacci on here. Alright, we're going to keep an eye on this thing. Yeah, there, look at that. Ain't that crazy? It's just crazy how this thing works out, okay? So, yeah, definitely keep an eye on those levels. A break of 82 cents. And I believe this thing's going to start ripping again. We got the RSIs rolling over bullish, and I believe this is just a retest. We got it wicked down through there, actually, but and a breakout. So, looks like bone's fine. Congratulations, everybody. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.